everyone, blessed be. I'm going to show you how to prepare a moon water jar. So I found this in a local antique shop for £3. It's actually an old vinegar bottle, but I liked the little glass stopper in it, and I liked the shape and the decoration. This reminded me of, there's those flower symbols that people used to carve into like wood in their houses as protection. I can't remember off the top of my head what they're called. I'll put it on the screen once I've remembered. And the pattern in the glass reminded me of that. And I saw this, and obviously it was only £3. So I've cleaned it with some soapy water. Didn't smell when I had it, which is good, because if it would have smelled of vinegar I wouldn't have bought it, because I can't abide the smell. But I did check before I bought it. Now I've just got some dragon's blood incense, and I'm just going to use that to cleanse the jar. Okay, I'm going to leave my incense burning on the altar to make my room smell nice. Okay, so I have my jar, and it's holding the smoke really well, actually, look. Okay, so I have my moon water, which I prepared, and what I did, this is some rainwater from a lovely stormy day we had, and I left this overnight in the light of the moon. So now my job is to get it into my jar with as little mess as possible. Hopefully, once I get it going. And I love how it pushes the smoke out the jar as I'm putting the water in. I think that looks quite cool. Okay. Now obviously store your moon water out of the sunlight, obviously. Mine has been. And obviously I've just got a artificial light on at the moment so I can film, so I'm not actually in direct sunlight. And I think I've got another jar. I think I do have another jar. Hold on. Yeah, because I haven't quite got enough there, but I have another. I always prepare more than one. That's a bit too full. That's better. Okay. Okay, so this is my little jug of fresh moon water, and I like to decorate as well. So I'm going to take a white ribbon to represent the moon, and if I have a moon charm knocking about, I'll put a moon charm on. Luckily I've got a collection of charms in my jewellery making. I like this one. It says I love you to the moon and back. It's quite fitting. And I'm going to just take off the little hook thing I put on it. So I don't need that. That's going to go on the ribbon instead. Boom. Like so, and I'm going to tie my ribbon around my jar. Tie that around a couple of times. I'm going to see if I can make a little bow at the back. Yep, there you go. So little bow at the back and moon charm at the front, and you could have it that way if you prefer as well, whichever way you want. It looks funny that way around to me. Hold on, let me change that round. Luckily I've got my jewellery making pliers to hand. Boom, boom, boom. Behave. Right. Obviously decide which way you want your charm before you tie it onto the jar, because it makes life a lot easier if it's already the right way around. There we go. Needed 2 of my jewellery making pliers to sort that out. So there you go. And that's my moon water jar ready to go, and it looks pretty. If you've got snow water, you could use a snowflake. If you've got sun water, you could use a sun charm. If you've just made like a protection water, you could use a pentacle and have that instead. I like the moon one because obviously it's moon water. And that's it, just a nice simple way to decorate and prepare a jar, moon water jar. And as you can see, it hasn't cost the earth. It's only £3 for this, and it's an old vinegar jar, a vinegar jug, and these are quite common. If you go in like little antique shops and thrift stores and things, you'll find things like this. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Blessed be. Bye for now.